Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to log out from your BestWallet application. To log out from BestWallet app, open up your application first, and once you get to the home page, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Within the settings menu, scroll down and look for the log out option. Tap on log out. Now once you see this pop up, go ahead and tap on the log out button in order to sign out of your wallet. This will then ask you to enter your passcode or scan your Face ID or biometrics, and you will then be able to sign out of your BestWallet account. In order to sign in again, you will need to enter your email address, verify your email address, and follow through the instructions. So that is how you sign out of your BestWallet app in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.